Hey guys, we are back with a dinner mukbang. Today we are having some Beyond chicken, popcorn chicken? No, they're not Beyond, they're actually the Gardein.
These are Gardein?
Yeah, Gardein Ultimate Chicken, popcorn chicken nuggets, something like that. And I have cauliflower rice with peas and carrots. Adam has carrots and the Gardein chicken and rice. I was going to use country sweet, but my daughter took it and used it all. I'll see what I can get out of it. Nothing. Put some sriracha on it. I am going to put a little of this sweet and spicy barbecue for my nuggets. Do you need anything else, Adam?
No, I should be alright.
We have other kinds of barbecue. I'm just trying to get those ones
Used.
used up.
I need the ketchup.
I was gonna put ketchup on my rice because I usually do ketchup and country sweet, but I don't have country sweet, so that wouldn't really make sense. Do some hot sauce. I'm going to do the garlic and herb hot sauce.
You gonna burn that one up first, like you did last time? Isn't that one like one of your favorite?
The other one I did, it was a garlic one, but I think it was green. It wasn't the same as this. This says, with aged red peppers, authentically Mexican. Campeche Sun, it's called. So we will see how that one is. I feel like I'm missing something. I wish this could come out.
Gotta put that on the list.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't. Adam's weird. He eats rice with a fork, but I don't think that's normal. So I'm gonna get a spoon. Alright, ready? You want to try the chicken first, or what?
I'll take a bite of chicken and some rice.
It's kind of cold because, yeah, but it's good.
Good.
Do you think it tastes like the chickens we had yesterday?
Yeah, probably.
And I'm still eating with a fork. This rice is really good. It's cauliflower rice, but it comes already with like peas and carrots and stuff in it. Bomb. I don't really do white rice much. Not that I wouldn't do white rice, but
I have white rice, regular white rice, but I do barbecue sauce in it. I'm gonna do, and then that way I'm not even putting it on the chicken. If I would have put it on the chicken, it would have been the same difference, right?
what do you mean?
Put barbecue sauce on the chicken, and then just eat plain white rice. Now I'm eating barbecue rice with plain chicken.
What do you guys eat your chicken with? barbecue, sweet and sour, ketchup, mustard. You guys, a lot of you probably don't know what country sweet is, because I think that's something from like local where we live. I'll show you. Usually this is what I eat on chicken.
Oh, ball sauce. They don't know ball sauce.
Yeah, ball sauce too. That's a local thing. Yeah, so it does taste like it's missing something since I don't have the country sweet, but it's still good. Keep picking up the fork, forgetting that I have a spoon.
It's really good.
I hope this video doesn't do what it did to my last mukbang. So let me know if you guys maybe know what happened. So we recorded videos this morning. Everything was good. All the footage was good. And then starting at lunchtime when we started recording, we listened to the videos back and we're fine. Like, we're not in slow motion, but all the sound is in slow motion. So all of those videos that we did, if I can't get them fixed, it is going to be horrible. So I really hope that I can fix the sound so you guys can see everything we did for you guys. Hopefully this video doesn't do that. This chicken is really good. What do you think compared to the KFC? What does KFC do? The Beyond, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and this is the Gardein. I think it's good.
Honestly, I think they threw this in a little thing called popcorn chicken.
Yeah. The KFC, I think is way too expensive for how much you get for their Beyond chicken, when I can make these and I think it tastes just as good.
For like half the price? Less than half. Gas, price of food.
Right, it's like we literally only got 2 meals just because we wanted to try it. We didn't want to get a bunch in case it wasn't good or wasn't worth it. So we got 2 meals and it came to like $24. It's insane. It was, I think, 12 something per meal. It was the bigger one. I think it was like a...
I thought it was like 30 something. I thought it was like 14 something. Yeah.
Yeah, it was 30 something for 2 meals. It was 14 something per meal, and they were 12-piece chicken nugget. And then it came with like a small fry and a drink. So we paid like $30 and some change.
For 12 Beyond Nuggets.
Yeah, insane. Have you guys tried the new KFC Beyond Chicken?
I mean, I give them props for trying.
It's good. They're
know,
good. I'd definitely eat it again, but I wouldn't pay that much for it.
Not for the meal. It's not worth it for the meal.
If somebody bought it for me, I'm gonna eat it.
I do like just the regular 6-piece or just the regular.
It's probably even
themselves.
expensive just for that. We didn't even check how much it was for just that.
I forget what it was, but yeah, if we did get the 12 pieces.
The 6-piece was like $8, like $7.99 for a 6-piece.
Yeah, but when we got the second size, which was the 12, we got 2 12 pieces, but we turned those 2 into meals.
Yeah.
Yeah, still, it's like the nuggets alone were like what?
I don't know. I think
Yeah.
like $10 just for the nugget. Maybe even more than that.
That's crazy.
I'm not sure.
I do like a 6-piece maybe.
I've eaten half my plate already. It's good.
Get potato wedges anyways. That's what you're supposed to get.
Yeah.
The fries aren't bad.
Half.
I don't know how much I got left, but it ain't gonna last.
So yeah, the garlic herb one is pretty good. It's not the other garlic one was my favorite one. That one was like, I don't know what kind it was. It was green though. I have more than one garlic one. I don't know. Yeah, I got this garlic hot sauce too. I haven't tried it yet. I'm sure I'll like it because I love garlic. And I love the green hot sauces, like the jalapeno ones. They're I don't know. Maybe I just like the taste of jalapeno.
Jalapeno, it's just fun to say. I ate a whole jalapeno, not a whole jalapeno, but a piece of one once. Went to a baseball game, and it was with the nachos. I wasn't paying attention. I thought it was a pickle. But we just was like, oh, pickle? I'll try it.
Why would there be a pickle on nachos?
What the heck? Who puts a jalapeno in nachos?
Everyone. It's nachos
It's
cheese
terrible.
sauce.
No. It was so nasty.
He said, I had a jalapeno once, as if it's some like thing that no one does.
Terrible. I mean, I guess if you're using one and you're making like a huge batch of some type of nacho cheese or chili or something, then it's not.
You don't just put one thing in a big batch of.
Who puts one chunk of a jalapeno? Who puts that? Who does that? You get one little bitty shaving of a jalapeno in a big old bowl of nachos. What's that?
Maybe it was an accident.
No, it's just weird people.
Just because you don't like it doesn't mean it's weird.
Yeah, that's definitely exactly what the definition of weird is. Something foreign to you is different. Not foreign, but strange and different. Not saying weird is bad. It's just
Weird can't be bad because we are weird.
there's no such thing as normal. So yeah, you're totally right.
Almost done.
Yeah, that was good. Gardein did real good.
Yesterday, we ate something similar to this. It was
Chicken fingers.
yeah, it was like
Or
chicken tenders by Gardein as well. But we had peas and rice with it. And then we had these chicken popper things today, chicken nuggets. So I figured why not? We all wanted to taste them. The chicken was so good yesterday that we had to try it today.
Chicken in a row of 2 days? Wow, definitely weird.
Oh, my chicken isn't cutting. And I know a lot of people will be like, it's not chicken. It's chicken. It's not. It's chicken. Spelled differently. I'm not going to say plant-based chicken, vegan chicken, every time I eat a mock chicken or a mock meat.
It's impersonating chicken. It passes chicken.
So, yeah, every time you guys hear me say like chicken or ground beef or something like that, just assume I'm talking about plant-based.
Ooh.
I'm almost done. You know it's good if I'm eating quick like this. I feel like my rice needs a little more hot sauce. Just a dab. That's a dab, right?
No, that's a dad.
So, let me know if you guys try the Gardein chickens, even the chicken patties that they have. Let me know if you guys try them. I'm getting stuffed. What about you?
Yeah. I'm gonna finish this plate. Finish this root beer. And
Oh, I thought you had the whole 2 liter. I was about to say you about to finish that whole drink.
oh yeah, whole one. They're gonna think my cup is magic. That would be great.
Yeah, I definitely get these again.
Good.
They're a little pricier than like the other mock chickens, but they're worth it.
Gardein, they usually
Gardein prices aren't too bad, but the ultimate chicken bags like this,
oh yeah,
they're
yeah,
expensive.
yeah.
It's like a bag for like $6, and you get.
Well, they're not.
We actually got a good
priced.
amount in them though.
Yeah.
We bought 2 bags of each, so for a family of 6 people, I mean, I think it's pretty good. 2 bags for 6 people. We all got enough.
Get a few prices.
Last bite.
Should do a flavor stick. Like, mail out a little stick that has the whole flavor of the plate. This is, yeah.
Yeah, that was good.
Boom.
You still have 3 carrots.
Well, that's the bottom of the carrot, and no.
He's so picky, icky. Do you guys eat the bottom of the carrots? I mean, if it was mixed
I usually do, but
if it was mixed in with my vegetables, I probably wouldn't even know. Maybe if I seen it, I might have been like, no, but.
Well, that's what happened. I usually eat it too, but I noticed that one.
Alrighty, guys. I hope you like this video. Let us know down below if you liked it. Let us know if you try the Gardein,
Go and try them.
the ultimate. It's like the Gardein Ultimate Chicken Nuggets. They also have the Gardein Ultimate Chicken Tenders and chicken patties. They are bomb. Gardein sponsor me.
Chicken tenders. Throw the chicken tenders in the air fryer. Sit back, watch a movie.
Yeah, they're good. Let us know if you try the KFC Beyond. Do you think it's worth the price? I mean, they are good, but do you think it's worth the price?
Give us your opinion. Tell us how you feel.
Yep. Yeah, so we hope you liked the video. Comment down below, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we will see you when we see you.
Peace.